So there's a lot of talk about intent-based networking, so that's the way Cisco is rethinking networks. Could you take us through, and how have enterprises leveraged these models and how have you helped them in their digital journeys to mitigate any challenges if there were any?
So as the name itself suggests, that intent-based networking means is that you have intention. For example, it's clear that every senior management in an organization should be given a slightly higher priority in the applications that they're using, whether they are talking on video or they're using any other application within the organization. Imagine you just have this intent. What happens today, typically in an old traditional network, wherever your senior management goes, you have 3 people along with them from the IT team. True. Whose job is just make sure that they are getting the right use of technology. Now in today's digital world, you can't put human beings to do that. Right. That is insane, right? So intent-based technology, you just define the intent that Ashwini should be given the highest priority whenever he logs in from wherever. The software itself converts that intention into a policy and framework, and whenever you log in as Ashwini, it understands that you logged in, and the intention is converted into a provisioning and a assured service which you have been promised to. So this is the intelligence which is built into the intent-based networking. We did the biggest launch of this 2 years back, and it's heartening to see that we have thousands of customers adopting this. And by doing this, they are able to achieve 2 or 3 things. One, they are able to bring down their cost of running their networks, which is absolutely very unproductive if you have to put human beings onto it. Second, they are able to give assured service levels, and which is very important. And thirdly, anybody can work from anywhere. Imagine a software company where a couple of years back you had to go to your seat to log in. Today, you can work from home and you get the same secured rights, which is highly secured, irrespective of whether you log in. So that's really how the intent-based networking works.
So would this also cater to the workforce? Now, when we see that it's the end users that have become the central focus of today's workplace, and they are on the move on different devices, and so is end user data. And the products and services are becoming more smarter, autonomous, predictive. And the end user experience is moving from click or push to show and tell. Now, how are you, I'm sure you've touched upon the AI piece of how you are using facial recognition as well as self-learning models within the network. How are you also ensuring that the whole aspect is fitted into the enterprise workforce?
Right. See, I think first, as I said, that these are the collaborative tools, latest generation available, which are very easy to use, and you get the right desire of any meeting that you're getting into. I think second very important component here is security. When you see, we've seen multiple levels of security generations. We did a survey a couple of years back, or just about a year back, and we realized that 57% of the customers in India are using more than security products from more than 10 vendors. Now imagine if you are using point products which are not talking to each other, and how will you ever make sure that you have the right security implementation which is foolproof?
Well, that's the integrated security piece that would be
missing. So that's really where Cisco comes in with the integrated security offering. Whether it is your web security, whether it is your email security, whether it is your end device security, it is an integrated offering which we provide, which talks to each other. And more importantly, it is backed up by Telos, which is a single largest team in the world, in a commercial world, whose job is only to look at the entire network traffic of the world and understand what are the current threats, and more importantly, what are the likely threats likely to come, and how are we one step ahead of them and come out with solutions and fixes before it happens. And that's our approach to security. So you take security, you take an integrated security, you take collaboration, and then you take digital network based on intent-based networking, and that gives you your digital infrastructure.